Did you know that Portuguese verbs are divided in 3 groups? Each group is based on the last 2 letters of the infinitive form. So we have AR, ER, and IR verbs. Let's learn how to conjugate regular ER verbs in the present tense. First, look at a verb in the infinitive and remove the ER, that is the stem. So for comer, to eat, the stem is COM. For first person, add O to the stem. Eu corro. For second person, add ES to the stem. Tu bebes. For third person, add E to the stem. Ele, ela, você escreve. For we, add EMOS to the stem. Nós compreendemos. For third person plural, add EM to the stem. Eles, elas, vocês recebem. So let's recap. Eu resolvo, tu resolves, ele resolve, nós resolvemos, eles resolvem. Easy, right? Did you know that our patrons on patreon.com watch our videos firsthand? Follow us on Facebook and subscribe our YouTube channel. Learn European Portuguese online.